Guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo code deals for RockAuto. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser and I'm going to head on over to Google. And now once I'm inside Google, in the search bar, I'm going to type in RockAuto promo deals, and then I'm going to hit enter. And now you'll get a whole list of results inside Google. So you got all the big third-party retailers like you got Realtime up 5% off. You even got Reddit you can check out for promo deals, coupons.com, Simply Codes, Worth a Penny, Don't Pay Full, etc. So you can check out any one of these third-party sites to find promo deals. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go to don'tpayfull.com because I find this a really good website to get promo deals. And now once I'm in the site, you can see if I scroll down, you got all different offers here. So 5% off, $50 off site wide. So to activate any one of these deals, simply click on the deal. And now it will give you this code here. So what you want to do is click on copy code and paste this code at the checkout section of RockAuto to activate your $50 off